Hey everybody, Joy here. It's a Tuesday. It's garbage morning day, so I hope the garbage trucks don't go by while I'm trying to talk to y'all. It's January 28th, I think, 2020. I'm sure it's 2020. And I'm waiting for Philly. Philly isn't even leaving Tulsa. Well, she's supposed to be leaving Tulsa in a few minutes. It's almost 10 o'clock. So I probably won't see her till 1 o'clock. It takes quite a while to get here. She doesn't live actually in Tulsa, but she lives like north of Tulsa in this other little town. So anyway, what we're going to do, if I can talk her into it, is we're going to draw pants for her from the Surefit Designs Pants Kit. Yeah, and so I'll show you how you do that. Now I'm wearing, I think this is like top number 1 or 2 that I made using the Surefit Designs shirt kit. The shirt kit does not have a bust dart, it just has a bunch of E's in it. The sleeve in the shirt kit, the sleeve in most kits patterns are huge on me. So I have to take the sleeve in a little bit. There's lots of E's in it. You're not supposed to use a bust dart. Anyway, I had already made this top that was hanging in my closet. And I bought some fabric that I really liked, and I wanted to do some appliques with it. So I pulled this out of the closet and I cut out these appliques. I showed them to you a while back. Remember Philly made me a purse and she gave it to me? We were meeting at the quilt shop where we very first met, and she was carrying this purse, and I said, oh my gosh, I just love your purse. She said, well, I'm glad because I made it for you. So I like the fabric it was made of so much that I bought some of the yardage, and then I cut it out, isn't it cute, and made an applique for this blouse in this bright green. So that was years and years and years ago, back when we first met. So probably 10 years ago. And it still fits because I made it out of the shirt kit and there's lots of E's in it. And why do I have it on today? Because it goes with my purple pants. I just love the fabric in these pants. So, we're going to talk about pants. One of you said, let me move this closer to my head so I'm not so far away. Hold on a second. Yes, as you can see, I'm sitting here in front of my front door this morning because it is so cloudy and rainy outside that the light isn't fighting me. At least I hope it isn't. All right. It looks like my head's cut off, but who cares? Y'all have seen my head before. I have to sit over here so I have a place to put my cuppa. So, I've set the room up for Philly. I actually have 3 stations in here where people can sew. Now, Philly likes to sew on that Solaris, the baby lock machine. I do not like to sew on the Solaris. It has this little thing that sticks out, that's the screw that you screw the needle in and out with. You tighten it or loosen the needle in the hole, and it sticks out so far that it's always coming down and hitting my finger when I'm sewing, because I like to keep my fingers close to the presser foot. And it's always coming down and whacking this finger. Amy, it'd be so and said, well, move your hand, Joy. Well, I have been sewing on Bernina's for years, and I can get both my hands right up in there, and nothing comes down and hits my finger and tries to cut it off. So she can sew on the Solaris. I'll sew on my 740, and if Lauren comes over, she really loves my 1130. That's one of my earlier machines, and she can sew on it. I've also got 3 sergers in here. So I've got 3 sewing machines, 3 sergers, so 3 people. So how lovely is that? Today is my grandson's day off, but Lauren said she feels bad leaving Luke with him all day long, so I don't know if she'll make it over today or not. I hope she does, but if she doesn't, that's fine. I saw her yesterday. So, here's the thing, Bing. One of you asked me, where is this sew-along going to start? Should we already have our pattern cut out? Let me tell you, these videos that I'm making right now are to help you get ready for the actual sewing, where I'm going to teach you how you sew the pair of pants together and put the elastic in the back. I'm going to today cut out a pair and use the pockets for the sides of it. I love the pockets, and now that I've got the fit really good from the burgundy pair, I'm going to put the pockets, and so then I'll have a pair of those to show you, okay? So what I'm going to do is show you now. Watch my videos every day, or when I make them, And I'll be showing you something about the pants pattern, something about the Surefit Designs Pants Kit, okay? There's lots of little tricks. I don't know if they're tricks or tips or ideas or goofy things I figured out to do. But I'll show those to you, okay? This is an insert for your pants pattern. If you got the combo, even if you got the pants kit, maybe, I'm not sure, you got a DVD. Watch the DVD. It has all kinds of information. You don't even need me to show you how to draw this pattern because Glenda already did. There's videos on YouTube. In the description box below this video, click on Show More, and it will show more. And I'll put some links down there of Glenda's that show her doing the dot to dot and drawing out the pant that you can just see on YouTube for free, okay? So you can watch that and you can get prepared. Yes, I want you all to be prepared to draw your pattern again if you don't already have it done, or if you want to. I drew mine 3 times. Get your pattern ready. We'll spend a day doing that. And then we'll cut out the pants, maybe another day. Then I will sew the pants together. It doesn't take very much time at all, but I will actually sew my pants together and let you watch me do that, okay? So this is a sew along. And mainly that's what I want to do because a lot of you might not even have the Surefit Designs pattern. Okay, I'll show you mine. You probably saw them hanging on the big poles in my house. This is mine. I can give you a tip. Make notes on your pattern. Put the date. Put the date, put the date, put the date, put the date, put the date. Your pattern doesn't have a number like a Butterick or a McCall's. And you're not going to know what front goes with what back, or when you made it, or what version it is if you don't put some notes on it. You can see I put all kinds of notes on mine. 4 stretch wovens and elastic back. Pant back. 27-inch crotch. The front is 12, the back is 15. You probably can't see the date, but it's here, 1/22/2020. Up here, this is the front. I have put an X. No, this is the back. I put an X across the dart at the top because when you're putting elastic in the back, you don't want to put that dart in. You don't need it. The elastic takes place of the dart, okay? Always, 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 always. Very first thing, draw that long, long line, the grain line with the little arrow at the tip. So you see the arrows. Draw that because you will always be able to go back to the original master, Glenda's great big master pattern, and be able to line this up with it. I've done that many times because I wanted to see. Well, and usually I forget to put what dots I use. Did I put what dots I used on this? I did. It's a miracle. I put up here, lots of miracles in my life. 36 waist, 42 hip, and down at the bottom, write down what length you used and how deep your hem is. But Joy, you are wiggling that so much. Good gravy. Do you ever have bad gravy? My God, I have. All right. That's the tip of the day. The tip of the day. Right on here. Let me see if I wrote it on the other piece. I have these hanging pants. Pulled these off of the post the other day and was carrying them around the house like flags. Oh my heavens. Thank goodness they didn't tear. Yes, yes. Here it is. It's another miracle. I wrote on the front, 36 waist, 42 hip. Front. For stretch, cotton, and elastic in back. So this is the front. Oh, and here's another tip. Do you want 2 tips in one day? Here's another one. I always move the dart Glenda's dart does not line up with the crease line. The crease line is right here on this grain line with the arrow at the top and the bottom. That's your crease line. And I like my pants creased. If you don't, just forget this. I like mine creased because my mother she'd be very unhappy in heaven and there'd have to be a conference. So I move my front dart to line it on top of the grain line. So I didn't do it on this pant, I forgot. The crease comes up here and the dart is over here. Next time I make the pants, the dart lined up with the crease line. Okay? That's 2 tips in one day. All right, this was an insert. And so Phylly's gonna be drawing her pattern from scratch. I'm gonna be taking my pattern that's now adjusted and I'm gonna be cutting out a new pair of pants with pockets. Okay? They're either gonna be red or navy blue, I don't know which color. I might make them the red. I think that the red will show up better in videos. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay, so I have a table over here by the Solaris for Philly. You want to see how I have it set up? Hold on, I'll take off the camera and show you. Okay, now you guys have seen this room lots of times. So this machine right here, this machine is my Bernina 740. It's my newest machine in this room. I bought that from eBay. It had 12 hours on it. I have really, really good experiences getting machines on eBay. This is a baby lock serger. And so all of this is in this table that I got when I set up this room for sewing. So that's my station. Over here is Lauren's station. Okay, this is my Bernina 1130 limited edition. This one came out in brown to start with. First there was the 1230 in brown, then there was the 1130 in brown. I don't like brown. They came out in this color right here. This is the box that goes with it. I didn't like brown. So they came out with just a very short time, this limited edition. I've looked for another one on eBay anywhere in the world for years and years and years, never have found one. So I love that machine. So that's the one, when I sell this house, I'm giving that one to Lauren. And she loves to sew on that one. Okay, and then over here is the table I set up for me to work with. Usually this one's in the hallway. You guys see it parked in the hall all the time. I keep those 2 cutting mats, there's 2 of them, and I keep those under my bed when I'm not using them. Okay, and over there's 2 more sergers. Those are both Berninas. They're okay, they work fine, but I sure do like the baby locks better. And there's my blue girl. And why is there 1 shoulder pad on the blue girl? There's 1 shoulder pad on the blue girl because I have a high shoulder. So I had to give her a high shoulder. And that's how I figured out how to do it. And why is the elastic around her waist? Because I keep forgetting to take it off. So there she is with no elastic around her waist. Alright, so this serger is a 2000 DE Bernina. I've had it for years and years and years and years and years and years. This one I've had for even more years and years and years and years. This is a 334 DS. And there's my pig that my Helga made me from Germany because pigs bring good luck. So she made me that pig. My pumpkin pants likes to play with that. So all that's left is Philly's station. I've got the embroidery arm on there, but she sews with that on there. The embroidery thing just moves out of the way. And she'll use this cutting table. That's the one I usually use. I'll get all of my stuff off of it before she gets here. And that's where I was sitting over there by the front door. Here's the ironing station, ironing board. And that's my desk. Okay? And you guys know what the Solaris is. Right here's the Solaris. I'll show you the little bar I'm talking about. Let me get real close. Where is it? Right here. That bar right there. You can see how far out it sticks. It sticks way out here. So if my hands are in here, that bar comes down and it hits. Let me move it down. See, watch it go up and down. So you can see, if my fingers are here, this close, it chops my finger. I think it is a crazy, crazy design, and I think they should fix it. But until they do, Philly can sew on this machine and I'll just embroider on it. Alright, you can see I'm all set up for Philly. and I'm all set up for you. I don't know if you saw my pants patterns hanging from the post over there. I got them both hanging on the post so I can find them when Phylly gets here. If I put things away, I can never find them. Oh, there's something I need to tell you. Catalina, dear sweet Catalina, and my other people that I love so much that have been with me for so long. If I have not responded to you after you've left me a comment, it's because I didn't see your comment until last night. When I was looking at my comments in this other place that shows all your comments from all your videos, and there was this area, this tab that said possibly spam or possibly, there's another word they call it, but I don't remember what it is. And I thought, well, what the heck, what would be in there? And so I clicked on that tab and it opened up, and there's a whole bunch of comments from Catalina and a whole bunch of comments from some of you other ladies that I've known forever. I'm like, what the heck? This isn't spam. What are these doing over here? And so then I tried to move them all so they would go where they belonged under the video that I made. I don't know how that's happening. I have never told it. Well, there was a couple. There was the one lady that absolutely hated me and did a horrible, horrible video of me and left me really mean comments. And so I marked her so her comments won't work. And then there was another man that was very, very upset with my religious, I hate religious, I hate that term, with my Bible-believing opinions. So, only those two people have I ever blocked, so they couldn't talk to me anymore, but I have not blocked anybody else. So, I'm very sorry and I apologize. I don't know how that happened, but I've read your comments now and I thank you for your comments. And all of us YouTubers out there, Viv and Becky and the other ladies, we all love your comments. That's why we do this. Oh my gosh, I've seen two recently. One lady just got a plaque from YouTube because she has 100,000 subscribers. Another person has a plaque hanging on their wall. I've told you this before, for 1 million subscribers. I can't imagine the pressure. The pressure. You'd have to have a whole staff to read the comments when you get that big. So, I'm not aiming for that. I'm just aiming for my simple everyday life, and you people that follow me, I thank God for you and I pray for you, and I pray that you'll learn how to make a wonderful, well-fitting pair of pants in our Surefit Designs Pants sew-along, or whatever pattern that you choose. Alright, I better shut up for now and let you guys get on with your Tuesday, and I'll be back real soon with Phylly. Bye for now.